Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tapping in with your girl. This is day 3 post closing of moving into our new home. As you can see, we have the key folks here getting it all done. I invite you to hit your subscribe button, click your notification bell so you'll be notified each time I upload videos as we continue this journey of transitioning from the Sunshine State, Florida, to Georgia, the Peach State. We are in the process of getting all of the key things done before we move in furniture. Today is appliance delivery. We're getting our new washer and dryer and the refrigerator delivered. In this new home after they built it, those are the things that the customer or the buyer can select themselves. So we already knew what we wanted, got them ordered while we were still in Florida, had them delivered to the home, and today is the day. I want to say thank you for stopping by my channel. I just want to say thank you for all your support. I look forward to you continuing to watch my videos, hopefully, so you'll see how I start to finish change this home into a quaint sanctuary. We've already had them check out everything outside. They're bringing in the washer and dryer. You'll see the refrigerator next. One thing that I didn't particularly like about this home was the laundry room was very, very small. You can't get everything right, so you just deal with what you have to deal with. But it is wide enough or big enough for us to get the washer and dryer with the pedestals in there, but it's not going to have the space that I normally would like for the ironing board and all of that. But no sweat, we'll make it work. As you can see, here's our new refrigerator. This is the same refrigerator we selected for the house we just left, so it was basically just a copy and paste, if you will. Ordered the same refrigerator, had it delivered here. I'm giving you another snapshot now that the washer and dryer has been put into the laundry room, and you can see it's kind of small, but we'll make it work. We just need to plug or hook everything up, or they do, and then we'll push them back and have them in place. And of course, for the refrigerator, all they need to do was push it back, counter depth, push this back, level it, and it will be absolutely fine. Again, I want to say thank you for tapping in. I invite you to subscribe to my channel. Click your notification bell so you'll know each time I upload videos, and you will see me from start to finish transition or transform this house into our very own sanctuary. As you can see, I'm now doing things on my own. They're still over there setting up the refrigerator and all of that, taking all of the plastic off. This is the dining room. We're expecting our furniture soon, so I just wanted to prep this room so that when my formal table comes in, everything has been cleaned and sanitized. I purchased a new rug for this room from, I either got it from At Home or Home Goods. I'll have to see which rug I select. So I went ahead and just mopped the floor, made sure the floor was dry, and now I'm gonna just put the mat that goes up under the rug down. You'll see me bring this in, spread it out, and go ahead and just make sure it's in the position that I want it to be so that the table will be centered directly under this light fixture or this chandelier. I said in a previous video that this normally would not be one of the chandeliers that I would have selected. I really like the ones that are a lots of glam, lots of bling over the top, but you know, you never know what you like until you're forced to make a change. Once I saw this Martin farmhouse home, I was like, you know, I think I kind of like it. And with some of the fixtures that the builders put in this home, this chandelier is going to be perfect, at least starting out. At some point I may change it out, but I'm going to be a good steward of what we've already paid for, so why pay twice? This chandelier is going to be here for a while, to include the others, and maybe at some point down the road I'll switch it out, but no time soon. So all you see me doing right now is I've kind of eyeballed where I want the table to be. Therefore, I know where the rug needs to go, and I'm just making sure that it is flat and situated on the floor so that when I put the rug over it, it will lay flat and it will just really look nice. So that's all you see me doing as I'm walking around this room. Again, I want to say thank you, thank you, thank you for rocking with your girl on these videos. I had stepped away for a while. That's when we were selling our home and having things packed out and went on vacation. Of course, it was the holidays and things like that. And I made a couple of trips up to Georgia to find this home. And so now I'm back and I look forward to rolling out content to show you how you can transition a home, whether it's your home, whether it's a room, whether it's a college space, it could be a tiny house, how you just make it all come together in order to make it unique but functional. Let's not forget the functionality. Rooms can look nice, but they have to serve the intended purpose as well. Now that I've gotten that done, here I come with this rug. This is a rug that I purchased from At Home. It's very, very heavy. So I'm calling Mr. King in here to tell him, hey, help me roll this rug out a little bit. And once I get all of that done, you're gonna see how the rug looks in its final state. What I'm doing now is I'm standing in the hallway and I'm eyeballing the rug based on the location of the chandelier to make sure that the chandelier is in the center vertically and horizontally based on the placement of the rug. I'm just shaking the rug a little bit to nudge it over left or right, back or front, just to make sure that it is exactly where I want it to be. As I continue to walk around, because this rug was folded or rolled up in the store for so long, I'm making sure that everything is level. I took my shoes off because now I am gauging to make sure by sliding my feet across the rug to make sure that the mat underneath the rug is solid, is flat on the floor. I will actually be able to feel the locations that it's not by just rubbing my feet across the top of the rug. It'll let me know if there are any humps or bumps or lumps, and where I locate them up under the rug, I will move the rug up or roll it a little bit and pull that mat flat or stretch it out so that there are no lumps underneath. I want it to lie flat and be absolutely perfect so that there are no puckles in it. So that's why I have my shoes off, other than to include I don't want dirt on my rug, but that's what I'm doing. It's been a pretty full day, but I just want to show you some highlight pictures. What we normally do when we move into a new home is we bring the ADT or the security folks in pretty soon up to the front of the process. That way the home is protected before you put all of your valuables and your goods in it. And that's what this gentleman is doing here up on this ladder. We pretty much got the standard services. We got the alarm system that comes with all of the emergency fire, those types of things. We also got a second panel. This is sitting on the countertop. It's a second panel that we can use and move it to our bedroom in order to arm and disarm or for convenience. So we can put this somewhere on a nightstand in our bedroom if we want to arm or disarm the alarm from a different location. We also got Google Nest cameras and spotlights all around the house. That's important just to make sure, especially since we live in a wooded or secluded area, that we are aware when someone or something is on the property. And with that, I want to say thank you for tapping in. This is Freddie Freddie King's Home Decor. See you in the next one. Bye bye.